Meaning of fruit.
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 Fruit. Fruit refers to the edible part of a plant that typically contains seeds. It can be consumed fresh or dried, and is often used in cooking and baking. Fruits are an important source of nutrients, especially vitamins and dietary fiber. They come in a wide variety of colors, shapes, and sizes, with some of the most common varieties including apples, bananas, oranges, and strawberries. Eating a diet rich in fruits has been linked to improved health outcomes, including lower risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer.